Those who have tried lime-stemmed egg will eventually fall in love with this simpler, perfect alternative preserved egg, steamed egg.
简单食材，随便做做，不带折起。
A relative ate lime-steamed egg outside and thought it was so delicious. He tried to copy it at home. He directly stirred the lime powder into the egg liquid. As a result, let's not talk about it. Lita, some smart person, found that preserved eggs are alkaline, simple, safe, and delicious. The ingredients are very simple. 2 eggs, a preserved egg, a little scallion. It's also very simple to make. Crack the eggs into a bowl. Peel and chop the preserved egg and put it in. Stir until the egg liquid turns slightly green. Add salt, monosodium glutamate, and add 2 to 3 times cold water. Stir well. Pour into deep dish. Bring water to a boil and steam over medium heat for 10 minutes. Open the lid. Sprinkle scallions. Add some soy sauce and drizzle some sesame oil. This aroma is stable. The custard is as tender as tofu jelly. It melts in your mouth. Cubong with preserved eggs hidden inside. Nutritious, easy to digest, and convenient. It's really a must-have skill for every lazy person. Remember 2 things. First, the finer the preserved egg, the better. Second, steaming on a plate is faster than using a bowl. Some people say that steaming with plastic wrap looks better. But for ourselves, we don't care about fumalali. I wish you all have a good appetite.